Making money effortlessly on Temu is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the Temu app. After opening the app, click on the Spin to Win button from the home page. It gives you the offer to buy 4 items to get $100 coupon bundle. Now tap on the item and add them into the cart. Add all 4 items. And congratulations, you get a $120 coupon bundle. Then click to checkout to get a $120 coupon bundle. Select your payment method to whatever you want. After that, click on Pay to get $120. Then enter your card number, expiration date, CVV. After that, click to Submit Order. Also, you will need to create captivating TikTok or Reels video highlighting your product's value. Using creative visuals, this will get you more users through which you can earn more money on Temu.